FutureSearch is not for business alone. It has been used with equal success by the Inuit of the Arctic, Native Hawaiians, and Native Americans in inner cities across the United States, in Bangladesh, Canada, Great Britain, Germany, India, Mexico, and South Africa, by the U.S. Army and many government agencies. It is especially useful in situations where the future is uncertain and people have more to gain by cooperating than by working alone. The Inter-American Development Bank, owned by 40 nations, created a plan for stronger partnerships between corporate staff and field offices that is being implemented now throughout the Americas. Santa Cruz County, California citizens created a series of action plans to enable affordable housing for more residents and for major economic development and employment initiatives in the county's poorest areas. Roxbury, Massachusetts brought together citizens from many ethnic and economic backgrounds to plan cooperative efforts for supporting small businesses, involving young people, informing and registering voters, and rebuilding community spirit.
I think it's interesting when people get together that they discover how much they have in common. And it goes across racial, ethnic, and cultural barriers.
One of the things that I see this meeting offering really is an opportunity to connect and an opportunity for us to buy into each other's vision so that we move forward together.
Ko'olauloa, a district of 7 small towns on the north shore of Oahu, Hawaii, has made major strides in translating Hawaiian values based on mind, body, spirit into practical programs in daycare, education, and healthcare. FutureSearch is based on 4 principles that enable people to act together on common ground. The first is getting the whole system in the room. That means including people with a stake in the purpose who don't usually meet. The second is thinking globally, acting locally, helping participants talk about the same world. The third is focusing on the future and common ground, treating problems and conflicts as information rather than action items. The fourth principle has people managing their own conversations and taking responsibility for action. A future search involves 50 to 70 people. Parallel sessions can be run to involve more. The usual time frame is 4 half-day sessions spread over 3 days. There are 5 stages: the past, the present, the future, discovering common ground, and action planning. The keys to success are few. The most important is choosing the right task, one where cooperative action is vital and no consensus exists on what to do. The second is finding participants who believe the task matters and have among them the resources to act if they wish. A third is choosing to meet under healthy conditions. A fourth is being realistic about how long it takes for key issues to be expressed, trust to build, and creative actions to emerge. It's a mistake to imagine that extraordinary results can be had cutting corners on the task, participants, and timeframes. Under the right conditions, FutureSearch follow-up activities often go for months or years. The procedures most often used to assure follow-up are newsletters, review meetings, and the Internet. These simple procedures that anyone can undertake have been combined in many creative ways to sustain energy and action. Working together on common ground leads diverse people to a new experience of what is possible in human affairs. We invite you to explore with the FutureSearch Alliance how we can help you define the question, involve the right people, build trust, and develop effective action plans.
I've not been in a 2.5-day period and heard so many great ideas expressed in such a variety of clever and articulate ways. I don't know what benchmarks you might use, but by my lights, this is the most useful, tangible, actionable output that I've ever seen. And I've been to my share of these conferences over 35 years.